It's hello. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean here. I'm just doing some makeup for work, and I've just put some. What did I put on? This Body Shop. Okay, so I put on Rimmel London, and I put on like a really. I think it was like a G5 of the Glossier concealer. And yeah, it looks pretty good, but we're just trying to go for like a natural finish. Like, who is makeup? Who is she? We don't know her. Like, we're going for that look today. Because I work at Hollister soon. Well, not soon. I've got it like a while away, but I just need to get my makeup done and ready for that. So that it's just done. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to worry about it, and it's all perfect. I'm waiting for 2 phone calls today, so to sort out this Nike thing, and another phone call for the result of an interview. So yeah, it's a nerve-wracking day. Hopefully this Nike thing, this whole situation is sorted today. That would be great. And yeah, so the week has been interesting. It's been good to be back at HTB and to see everyone, like Ryan and the crew and Matt, and just to be back is so good. I was there yesterday, it was so nice. Yeah, 7 PM is definitely a service that I love and I get to go to. And it was so good because I was supposed to finish at 6:55 yesterday at work. And then they were like, oh, you can finish at 6 today. And I've got a shift today, so it's pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, and I feel like I'm awake. I won't have to do my makeup at work like I did yesterday because I was in a rush. I was just very nervous of everything. Yeah, this is the Body Shop Fresh Nude Honey 55. I have, as you can probably see, a bit of tanned a bit, just slightly, because I have been out and about and working like a busy bee that I am, and my skin is just so many shades of brown, and I am trying to have this whole, I wake up like this, I did my makeup look today, so I have to just mix and match and give my enhance the tanned look and go with it and work with it and work, you know, just work things into the skin and just yeah, I don't want everything to look perfect. I want it to look like skin, but skin on a really well rested day with lots of water being drank. Which is true because I haven't really been drinking juice or anything. I've literally just been drinking water for the past how many weeks, days. It's been a week of the Second Nature program, and I will upload that today. And yeah, I've lost a little bit of weight in a week, which is crazy. Not a kilogram, don't get excited. It was like 0.2 or 0.1 kg, don't know what that is, so 200 grams or something, I don't know. But yeah, that is it. That's it for today. Literally, my makeup is going to be this. I think I'll curl my lashes and I'll probably put on the strawberry Body Shop thing on my lip, and then I will vlog a bit more today. And yeah, that's kind of it. That's my makeup for today. The not mirroring makeup look. It looks so weird here, but when I get to my room, it's gonna look amazing. See you in a couple of seconds. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sean here. It is Monday, the 21st of June. I'm expecting a call from Nike head of payroll for Nordic and West Europe, so I am waiting on it. It is 9:25 in the morning and I haven't had a call yet, so yeah, I just have to wait. I have a shift today at Hollister, another shift that I picked up, so my 3rd shift of this month, which I'm really excited about. It was great to be back in store. It's just great to be with customers and helping people and doing the best I can. Heading to work. It's raining. This feels like it's spring, winter, not summer yet, but raining.
Taki autobusik teraz to normalnie pięknie to wygląda. Pierwszy raz wygląda, trzeba też
Piccadilly, Regent Street, 9:41. Look at BTS. Look at J-Hope. Look at Jimin. That's my baby. Look at Jimin. Look at them. Oh, they've had a little bit of a racist madness, but they're cute still. Anyway, let me quickly go into Boots, which is where the sign is. So if you're ever in Piccadilly, Boots and Gap are where all of the stuff are. Look at him there, they moved a little bit. And then there's that LG thing. Charlie Puth is doing something. Ooh, vibes. Oh yeah, I'm rocking my Yeezy boots today because I thought it was going to be rainy and I undid the laces, so super comfy. Like 5 minutes. My skin looks fine actually. Maybe I'm paranoid, I don't know. My skin looks fine, I don't know what. I think it's the lighting on the bus. Anyway, I've got 5 minutes to get to work. And I am nearly there, I'm excited. And I'm going to Whole Foods to get some stuff from healthy food recipe, I don't know. But yeah, I've got money today. I might go to Hard Rock Cafe and get a burger or something. Actually no, it's a lie. I need to be healthy and go to Whole Foods and get some nuts or something. Oh, green man. Anyway, yeah. Got mascara, got deodorant. Feel good, smell good. It's gonna be a good day. So many adverts, Jesus. Yeah, see you guys in a bit. We're looking cute, mannequins, yes, chocolate, yes, melanin. Hi guys, I just got back home. This is the lunch that I didn't eat from Cafe Concerto. I got the tomato and basil ciabatta and it came with chips, but the fries were so good when I had them, and then when I got cold I couldn't eat them, so I threw them away. But oh my god, this stuff is so good. And I got a discount, I didn't even know. But yeah, that was it. I'm just at home now, chilling, resting. See you guys tomorrow for Wednesday. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shan here. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, 23rd of June. Sugar. Hi guys, back from Westfield. It was a long day trying to find these shoes for my sister. Didn't find them, so mum's gonna get them from Amazon. I'm really excited for the end of June because I'm over this whole Nike debacle and over the stress, and excited for my summer school to start. I've chose my unit. Hopefully I get it, I don't know. I chose the one in Venice because I love classical architecture, neoclassical. That is something I really love. Loved it as a kid, and yeah, I love it even more now. And yeah, that's kind of it. Eyebrows are looking very cute. Very furry. They're like, they could match today. I feel like they are actually like related. But yeah, I put effort in today. I was like, I'm gonna look like I'm not wearing makeup, but I am. Anyway, my skin's a bit weird right now. I think it's all the dust in the air, but I'm just taking everything off. I'm gonna get my Gilly Hicks concealer and just get everything off and have a little face mask tomorrow morning for my interview. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yes, that's it for Wednesday. Good night, have a good rest, and enjoy the rest of the weekly vlog. Guess where we are today? We are at the beautiful Greenwich Maritime Museum. Stunning. This is the Old Royal Naval College and University of Greenwich. And yeah, it's one of my favourite places in Greenwich. I just have to do a bit of a walk to get to the interview place. And yeah, I'll show you my steps for the today. It's so nice. Oh, this is so much better. It's so hot today. It's gorgeous. Definitely recommend going to Greenwich Park for a walk or for a nice run. The gardens are well kept and it is stunning. Yeah, I'm heading to my interview now, and I will bid you all farewell. I'm joking. I'll see you guys later when I vlog something, hopefully. Look how gorgeous this place is. Like, it's stunning and it's free to enter, so if you're ever in Greenwich, come check out the Royal Maritime Museum. And yeah, it's gorgeous because when you go to the main entrance, which is just there, you can hear the sound of waves. They have the speaker. I don't even know what the speaker is. It's really cool actually. And yeah, you've got Old Royal Naval College, University of Greenwich there. They have like exhibitions. You've got the Queen's House and Royal Observatory in Greenwich Park. And yeah, actually no, this is the Queen's House. The Royal Observatory. I don't know why I always think the Queen's House. There's something else in Greenwich Park apart from the Royal Observatory. Look how pretty it is. I'm just going to Marks and Spencer's because I'm absolutely boiling. But yeah, they said they're going to let me know tomorrow, and hopefully I get a job because I need one. Love Hollister, love Hollister, but I'm not getting enough shifts. I'm not scheduled for anything for the next 2 weeks, and I finished uni now, so yeah, I should have something. But this is the look. Gone for like Steve Jobs mixed with like typical English. Look at me, it's not even tweed, but I just feel like a grandpa. I feel like I'm dressed like someone's dad. And then some Doc Martens, which are there. I don't know if you can see them because I can't see the camera, but yeah. Look how pretty Greenwich is right now. I'm literally going to go to Marks and Spencer's quickly. I'm going to go for a little walk, and then I'm going to head home. Get a bus straight home. No, that's right. Hello, I'm back from my interview, sorry. I'm back from my interview, and yeah, it's all good. This is the if I was Amish but I had to slay. That's what this look is. But yeah, that's literally it. Thursday, it's literally just gonna be eating. I'm probably gonna show you like food and stuff because I'm obviously week 2 of the Second Nature program. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I've been pretty good. I think these are the only things like, but it's like milk, it's dairy, it's like part of a balanced diet technically because I don't really have that much milk anymore because like milk has a lot of fat in it, and then fat is like sugar and fat, you know. But I'm seeing the weight loss, I'm seeing the skin glowing, and I'm seeing it, and I'm here for it. My mum's skin's improved so much in 8 weeks, and she's on week 8. I'm only in week 2 of the program, and I'm loving it so far. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do more Second Nature videos and like go through the stuff on my phone and show the app for each day at the end of each day or the end of the week, because it shows how many steps I've done, my food diary, all that kind of thing, which I'm trying to like keep a track of, but it's pretty hard to do. Just remember to track everything you eat, and I'm like, I just eat whatever, whenever. I just had a cookie at 11:30. I remember I was like, I need to write that down in my food diary. It's getting used to like planning out your meals, and then when the plan just goes away, writing down what you actually ate. So that's gonna be interesting. But yeah, the food at Las Iguanas was so good yesterday. Like I feel like Las Iguanas is gonna be on the list of restaurants that I definitely will go regularly to. I think they do student discount, but I can't remember. So yeah, but that's it. This is Thursday, and I don't know, hopefully you enjoy this week's vlog. It's probably gonna be a lot of stuff because I've just had lots of interviews and going out and work and, you know, but yeah, can't wait for Sunday, church on Sunday. I'm so excited. Like, I love being there, and it's just great to get back into the environment and that family vibes. Yeah, that's kind of it. This is Thursday, basically done. I'm going to sleep. And then when I decide to cook the bang bang shrimp recipe that I think I picked, I will show you guys that, and I will do my food diary, and I will do a recap of like all the food and stuff I've ate today, starting from today. So yeah, that'll be on here. I just need to remember, but I'm just exhausted from the interview and going shopping a little bit. I went to Waitrose, I went to Marks and Spencer's and got a few things because I didn't have breakfast, which is really bad. Anyway, that's it, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope you have a really good Thursday as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. This drama is so good. I'm obsessed. Finally got paid today. Finally got paid from Nike, so I'm really happy. I'm just over the whole thing, and I can't bother to, like, I'm not gonna make any more videos about it. Like, this is it. Finally got it sorted. Been emailing the head of Nike payroll Europe, or Nordic and West, so including the UK, which is me, where I'm from, where I'm based, and yeah, that's all done. Sorry, like my skin's just really dry. Like, I don't know why my nose is peeling. I adjusted a face mask. I need to put cream on my face, but yeah, I got paid, so I just wanted to happy chilling vibes. I've got another interview today. Yeah, that's kind of it, so bye. Hi guys, welcome back. So I just did my makeup like in the bathroom. It took a while. It's just like, it was like my skin when I went in there, it was so moisturized, it was so dewy. I had to just like wait for it to set in and then do my foundation because it was just, and then yeah, but it turns out pretty good. But yeah, I'm heading out now. I'm just gonna quickly go to Adidas, get some stuff for going to the gym, get a swimsuit. Those are the main things. I think I might go to Boots just to get some essentials, and yeah, like definitely tomorrow is the day of like throwing things away, shredding, and starting to pull together the modern like future wardrobe that I am trying to have. It's really hot, so this like more clothes like this are a godsend. And yeah, I'm just gonna go out now. It'll be fun to go for a little bit. Might get some sandals from Hunter, might go to work and just get a few things, perhaps, I don't know, I'm still deciding. Guys, got my stuff from Adidas. I literally freaked out. I thought I lost my bag, but it was underneath the clothes. It nearly had a heart attack, but yeah, got quickly. Then I'm gonna get the Travi, then we'll go home. Eyes open. I'm literally going to go to Wasabi quickly. I didn't go to Body, I did go Body Shop, but nothing I wanted, so I'm just gonna go to Wasabi, get some sushi, and then go to Tesco's and get stuff that my mum wants me to get, and then head straight home. That's my stuff. So I've got lemonade. Please coming to the OT. This is so cool, I can't believe it. They have this place in, I think it's Suffolk, I can't remember, but that's so cool. Yeah, Gordon Ramsay's come to the OT, guys. I cannot wait till that opens, I'm definitely going to check it out. But yeah, I'm going with Wasabi quickly because I'm hungry. And yeah, I look like makeup's come together good, and yeah. Me out in natural light. And I just noticed Chiquito's closed. I didn't even notice that way. Chiquito's is closed. Done shopping. Actually, I have to go get something else. But I'll get that from. Should I go to Canary Wharf or no? I don't know. I feel like I should go to Canary Wharf and get the stuff Mum wants, and then come home and go straight home. So I'm gonna go on the train, one stop to Canary Wharf, get the stuff Mum wants, and then go to Boots there, and then go straight home. So I can't bother to wait for a bus, it's just easier. One train, Canary Wharf, walk a bit, and yeah. So yeah, let's go to Canary Wharf, get those steps in, that's what I'm thinking about actually. But yeah, this lighting, oh my god, and this makeup. I need to do it more often. But yeah, I'm sweating. But yeah, god, I spent £100 at Adidas. That was not the plan, but the points will do. Get me back to Game Changer. And yeah. Nice and peaceful, that's why I love coming to Canary Wharf. Not that many people come, so it's great to shop and eat and relax and meet up. Here, Korean street food soul bird in between Wagamama and Five Guys, so cute. Yeah, that used to be like an empty space, so it looks really nice. Definitely come back over there, but I need to quickly go. I need to go Boots and Marks and Spencer's, and then straight home. So, yes! The makeup still looks good, so not bad for today, because I hardly do makeup good. natural light makes me look even better. But yeah. Finished. Literally heading home now. And yeah, Canary Wharf was really nice. Quiet, which is great. Not much of a queue. Got everything I needed. And yeah. Sorry, it's like really bright outside. £2.50, that's a good idea. Sure, I know I have enough.
End of the train. It's there to protect us all. Some exemptions may apply. Please be considerate and remember that exemptions may not always be visible or obvious.
Hi guys, it's Sunday. Just woke up. Well, it's not so like I woke up a couple of hours ago. I had some sausage and eggs and bacon and lots of water. I'm just gonna have a shower. I've booked to go to the V&A for a bit, so I want to go and do some drawing, do some observational drawing, do some life drawing, just like draw inside, which will be really fun to do. Made it to the V&A. It's so pretty. I'm gonna show you. This is the entrance. That is the queue you go to. They scan your QR code or ticket or member's pass if you are a member. I would suggest becoming a member, so it's just easier for you to get the perks of new different exhibitions and all that kind of thing. But yeah, that is my outfit today. That is me. And yeah. We are in the sculpture and portrait section. And yeah. I used to come here and do drawing a lot. This is some Asia bit. Stunning. It definitely come for a visit. This is a little tester or a little teaser for you. But yeah, make your way down if you haven't been already. There's so many gorgeous sculptures to look at. I'm just going for a little wander and then I'll go to Harrods and get some food. So pretty. I love the little architecture. Stunning. Especially this, I think this is really cool up there. So I'm in this room, which is like super cool. Like all these old, like Christian, Catholic church stuff. And it's like, the lights are dim in this area and there's like a figure, I don't know what this is, but there's nothing here. And I'm like, should I walk on it? Does something happen if I walk on it? I don't know, it's just this dark thing. Oh yeah. Oh cool, this is cool. I love how ornate and detailed this stuff is. Like, it's so beautiful. Everything is like amazing. Of course, Italy. Oh my god, look at that chalice. Wow. A little bit of history for you. But yeah, definitely come to the V&A, guys. There's so many cool stuff to look at. I'm starving, so I'm literally going to go to Harrods any minute, but this room is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this room is so dark. That's why you can't see me. But yeah, I'm heading out to get some food from Harrods now. I didn't even notice that cross up there. Wearing the same outfit as yesterday, just with the Kanye Jesus is King blue joggers. I'll show you the bright blue ones. The colour, they're kind kind much to play in this Kente club. I do, so. Again, amazing details. Like, I could stay in here all day, but I'm so hungry, so I have to go. But yeah, come to the V&A, guys. Tickets are free. Just go online, vam.co.uk, and book a ticket. Heading out. At the old entrance is now the exit, and it's stunning. And I will come back, and oh my god, I will come back and draw one day. But for now, on to Harrods to eat. Heading to get some food. I'm so hungry. It's only raining a little bit, but god. So what's the sun would come out a little bit more. Look what I've walked into. This little visiting world. Even the hallway, guys, is a place for selling. Collection. Okay, I'm supposed to be going to find Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. And that's where I want to go today to check it out. Finished for today. And that is what I had. I had the, where is it? Look, I'll find it. I'll find it in a sec. But yeah, I'm heading back to Brompton Road, HTB. I'll see you guys in a second. I'm impressed, my makeup's still on and everything. Oh, these are stairs. Let's take the stairs down. Actually, that's a lie. Let's not take the stairs down. Let's get the escalator. Level 4.
Doors closing.
So many things on sale. This is cute. Let's see what it is. And it feels nice. I need to come back. Definitely need to come back and shop. This is cute too. Oh, this is cute. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. Let me go, let me go. Here we are, the famous escalators, which I need to walk around to get to. But they are there, behind me. We are... guys, we are going out. Which every time this is me, but yeah. Okay, light. I'm in the food hall. I'm just gonna get a juice quickly because I'm a little thirsty. The milkshake was great, but it's a bit sugary. I want to get something healthy or whatever. It's the fruit hall. It is now closed, so I'm leaving swiftly. Out the way I came, straight out to Hands Road, and yeah, got service now. Hi guys, I'm at Brompton Square, walking quickly to HDB Brompton so I can meet Ryan and the crew because I volunteered to help with something. I got a snack from Harrods, like this, I think it was raisins and nuts and fruits and chocolate or something, I don't know. It was like £1.75 and I was like, oh, it's cute, like a munch on something, but there was a homeless guy on Brompton Road, so I gave it to him, but I've got like a whole massive bottle of Voss water and a bottle of Harrods pineapple and mango fruit juice, so I will have those as my snacks instead. Try and find Ryan now because it should be the end of 5 o'clock service. I'm very early, so I'm just gonna find a bench to sit at, and yeah, I'll take you along with me this Sunday. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be. It's gonna be pretty long. I might post the Gordon Ramsay like food as a separate video, just, well, it's going to be in the vlog, but as a separate video, just because I'm starting my restaurant vlogging thing I want to do. Whenever I go to a new restaurant, I want to try something and then vlog it and give an honest opinion on the spot, like I used to do for Film Fridays, which will be coming back. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing. Yeah, that's kind of it. But yeah, going to cinema next Saturday. Going on holiday from the 5th of July to the 9th. Should vlog that. It'll be some video. Well, it'll be its own video playlist thing, and then it'll be a weekly vlog as well. So it's going to be a whole thing. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. But here we are. HDB Brompton Road. Well, Brompton Road is behind me, so. 1 second, sorry guys, my coat keeps on falling off because it's just hot and I've got it on my shoulders. I'm so tired, sorry guys. But yeah, let me show you Brompton Road. This is what you see when you come to HDB Brompton Road. And this is also 24-hour prayer room. Hi Ben, how are you? Long time no see. Oh, gorgeous architecture of the I'm just gonna sit on the benches. Look how far I am. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Church. Everyone's chilling outside. Yeah, cool shot. Anyway, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be doing something. Let me sit on a bench and eat, drink. Here we are, going to toilets quickly. Okay guys, I'm literally gonna do reading for service today. I feel like this is the way up, I can't remember. Let me just go the other way. 7:25, I'm gonna read the Bible in front of a lot of people, which I'm really nervous about, but look at my eyes. I can't really see. I'm a bit nervous, but oh well, see you there. Hi guys, it's raining and heading home. My Harrods bag is ripped. I knew it would rip because I got this paper one, which I'm going to show you one sec. Paper one. I got my stuff and it was seamed front. It's just ripped at the bottom. So I don't want to put this like water back in it and have stuff like fall out. So I think I might just have to go yeah, just go, I don't know, put it in the bin and hold my water bottle. And heading home again. I'm so scared, like literally doing the reading today. I was just very nervous. And it was a long passage as well. It was nearly a whole passage. It was basically the whole passage of John 4, verses 9 to 29a. So basically half of 29. With the woman at the well. Jesus meeting the woman at the well. And then we had communion, it was great, and it's just nice to be back. Yeah, this is going to be interesting, but I've got my good trainers on. Thank God I didn't wear my slippers, otherwise it would be really awkward. Yeah, it's good to be out and about. And that's kind of it for Sunday, guys. I think when I get home I might do a review of, not a review, I'm going to post my review of Gordon Ramsay's thing today and then do the rest of the weekly vlog and post that up tomorrow. And then, yeah, do a roundup of this week. I didn't weigh myself today because I ate a lot, so I don't think I have to weigh myself early tomorrow morning. And I'll do like a week look back, reflection on my Second Nature journey for this week, week 2 of Second Nature program, which is a 3-month program, I think. Yeah. So that's it. Heading home in this rain, which you cannot see. I mean, it feels a bit light today. Just gonna get the train to Victoria and then head home that way. I mean, just I need to see what journey is quickest actually. Might go to Westminster, might get the bus, because I'm so tired and so lazy. But yeah, this is the outfit for today. Cinched at the waist, pretty high. I need to like bring it down a bit. Let me put this here, because yeah, I don't know, it's like all this moss on the side. One sec. This is the outfit for today. With these. I'm now heading home. See you back at the house. Bye. Raining a lot. I don't know if you can see this rain on the floor. It is raining like it has never rained before. Like it is pouring down. See that? Like it's just, look, oh, I have to go. I'm going to South Ken and I cannot. I'm just gonna listen to Michael Jackson and get there, put my head down till the rain goes on my braids, not my makeup, and yeah. I am so wet. Makeup's still on though. Okay, that's right. Looking good. It is horrid. It's absolutely horrid. And I forgot to bring my umbrella, and I'm so annoyed because I was looking for my umbrella today, and then I was like, oh, it's fine. It's just gonna rain a little bit. It's probably not gonna rain. I'm not running, so I cannot afford to sprain my ankle or be ill in any way, shape, or form. Here we are, South Ken.